AI is coming for your job. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe not next year, but sooner than you think. Some experts believe up to 50% of current jobs could be automated by 2035. That sounds scary, right? But let's break it down. Artificial intelligence isn't just sci-fi anymore. It's already here, answering customer support calls, writing news articles, diagnosing X-rays, trading stocks, creating art, and even composing music. And it's doing all of that in seconds, with almost no human help. So how did we get here? AI has been around for decades, but recent breakthroughs have made it far more powerful. In the past few years, large language models like ChatGPT, image generators like Midjourney, and tools like DALL-E, Sora, and autonomous vehicles have shown that AI can handle tasks once thought to be uniquely human, like speaking, thinking, drawing, and even making decisions. That's a game changer. Now, let's talk about jobs. Which ones are most at risk of being replaced? Experts divide them into 3 categories: high risk, medium risk, and low risk. Let's start with high-risk jobs, the ones most likely to be automated first. These are roles that involve routine, repetitive tasks. Think of data entry clerks, customer service agents, warehouse workers, bank tellers, telemarketers, and basic accounting jobs. These jobs follow clear instructions and rarely require creative thinking or emotional intelligence. And that's exactly what AI is good at: fast, consistent, rule-based execution. For example, Amazon warehouses already use robots to locate and move products. Most online customer support is now handled by AI chatbots. And many companies use accounting software to automate invoices, payroll, and taxes. In these industries, automation isn't coming. It's already happening. Now let's move to medium-risk jobs. These roles require more knowledge, training, and judgment, but still involve patterns that AI can learn. Jobs like paralegals, radiologists, journalists, analysts, insurance underwriters, and even some teaching positions fall into this category. You might be surprised by some of those, but AI can now write convincing news summaries, scan legal documents for key clauses, analyze X-rays, and personalize learning materials for students. In some hospitals, AI is already used to detect cancer in scans faster and more accurately than some human doctors. But these systems still need human oversight, at least for now. Finally, we have the low-risk jobs. These are the ones that are hardest to automate, at least in the near future. They include nurses, electricians, therapists, plumbers, creative directors, social workers, and senior managers. These jobs rely on emotional intelligence, critical thinking, hands-on skills, or leadership. They require a human presence, and they're unpredictable. Few things AI still struggles with.
For example, no robot can yet comfort a grieving patient, fix a leaking pipe in an old building, or lead a complex team across departments. These human-first skills are your competitive advantage in the age of AI. But here's the twist. AI won't just destroy jobs. It will also create new ones, jobs we haven't even imagined yet. That's what happened with electricity, the internet, and smartphones. Technology kills some jobs, but it creates others. The key is whether we adapt quickly enough. New careers are already emerging. Roles like AI trainers, prompt engineers, machine learning auditors, synthetic data designers, and human-AI collaboration managers are starting to grow. These roles require a mix of tech fluency, ethics, strategy, and creativity. Let's take prompt engineering as an example. It's not about writing code. It's about asking the right question in the right way so that AI produces useful results. In other words, it's about communicating with machines like you would with a human teammate. That's a skill, and it's in demand. Still, the shift won't affect everyone equally. Developing countries that rely heavily on manual labor or outsourced services may face more disruption. Older workers who aren't familiar with new technologies may struggle to rescale, and people in low-income or less educated communities could fall behind if they don't have access to digital learning. This isn't just a tech problem. It's a social, economic, and political challenge. How governments, schools, and companies respond will shape the future of work for everyone. We need smart policies, better training programs, and fair access to opportunities. Now the big question: what can you do about all this? How do you future-proof your career in a world where machines keep getting smarter? First, learn to work with AI, not against it. The people who succeed in this new world won't be the ones who compete with AI, they'll be the ones who collaborate with it. Think of AI as your assistant, your research partner, your productivity booster. Second, build uniquely human skills. These include creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, leadership, and collaboration. AI is good at logic and data. You need to be good at everything it's not. Third, become a lifelong learner. The most important skill in the age of AI, adaptability. Keep learning new tools, watch tech trends, take online courses, read widely. Don't assume your current job will look the same in 10 years. It won't. Fourth, follow the industries being transformed. AI is already reshaping healthcare, education, media, finance, logistics, and even art. If you're working in any of these fields, stay ahead of the curve. If you're entering the job market, consider how those fields are changing. And finally, stay calm. This change is big, but it's not the end. In every major shift in history, some people were disrupted, but others thrived. Your mindset, your curiosity, and your willingness to adapt will make the difference. So, here's the truth. AI is not going to replace you, but someone who understands how to use AI might. That's why the smartest thing you can do right now is to get familiar with these tools, before they become a requirement. This isn't human versus machine, it's human plus machine. The best results come from collaboration, where machines handle the repetition, and humans bring the meaning. Yes, change is coming, and fast. But if we understand it, prepare for it, and grow with it, we won't be replaced, we'll be enhanced. Thanks for watching. If this helped you see the future a little more clearly, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, stay sharp, stay learning, and stay human.